Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Wristwatch and Wallet. Today we are going to unbox a common man tourbillon watch, which you can also refer as a open heart watch with many useful complications. But before that, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. But before we proceed further, it's time for wrist check, and today I'm wearing my PDVS005 watch, which pays homage to Omega Seamaster. You can find the unboxing link of this watch in the description and on top right corner of this video. Now let's focus on today's watch. Our today's watch is from manufacturer named LIGE, and they are a well-known brand for making budget watches, at least on AliExpress. Without further ado, let's open the box and see what is inside. Now upon opening the box, we can see a few things. First, there's a pouch which contains the watch manual, and there's a tag, and I believe there's a cleaning cloth as well. So I'll keep this aside for now and we'll focus on the watch. So apart from that, there is a sizing tool. Let's move the watch out of this plastic pouch, and here is the watch. Well, it's ticking and it's alive. We'll quickly unwrap this watch. Quick first impression. It is a very elegant looking watch with eye-catching complications and beauty. Now this is an automatic watch, which means it doesn't require any battery to perform functions. The build quality also seems to be good and solid. The case is made of stainless steel. We have a golden color bezel along with the crown and side push buttons. Coming to the dial color is black, and we have Roman numerals as indices, and at 12 o'clock we can see the manufacturer name LIGE, and then below it there is date window, and then at position 3 and 9 we can see two subdials. The right hand side subdial shows us the month of the year, and the left one shows us the day of the week. Then at the 6 o'clock position we can see the balance spring. Well, this is the one thing that makes this watch more attractive and charming. On the right hand side we have a crown and two push buttons to control the month as well as the date. However, in order to change the day of the week, you can use this hidden button. You need something pinpointy to push this button. Now coming to the bracelet, we have 6 links bracelet, and we have a butterfly clasp. There is a golden lining at the both sides, which makes it more attractive. The links are held by push pins, which is fine by me because they are very easy to maintain. In order to size up this bracelet, you just need to push out the pins and then size it accordingly. Coming to the case back, it has a see-through case back, and it mentions about the model number and fashion, automatic, mechanical watch. And now it's time to check how it looks on the wrist, and here it is on my 6.5 inches wrist. Well, as usual, I need to remove some links to size it accordingly my wrist, but it seems that if someone has a bigger wrist, they can also enjoy this watch. Let me know if you want me to create a full review video of this watch. That is all for today, and thank you for watching this quick unboxing, and be sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy watch collecting.